This is the 3 7mm bolts that hold this snow shield on. There's this one, there's one down in here, and there's one you can't see that's back here. So you just remove those. Then the snow shield comes right out. This little clip here, you just push him in right here. See how this moves down? So that's how that guy comes out, just by pushing him down. Then of course you remove these two 8mm bolts. Then he comes right out. Now I just use a push pin to remove this gasket, but you could use a screwdriver, just something to pull up on him here. There does seem to be a little bit of a difference the way this goes in. I find it goes in easier if I turn it this way. So do pay attention to that when you go to put this gasket back in. But he just pushes down. Then we take the new one. Put him on right here. Remember, these go down to 44 foot-pounds torque. This here does clip in, and you'll hear him clip. Whenever I push this in, you're going to hear it clip. I don't have a decent torque wrench, so I'm just going to guess. In other words, I'll just put this on good and snug, but not super tight, to where I'm worried that I might strip out the threads. I'm going to test this idle air control valve before I put the snow shield on. I'm just doing diagnostics via replacement. To me, it didn't help much, if anything. Next, I'm doing the throttle position sensor, and it'll be a different video. Appropriate Amazon affiliate links have been left down below. It'll have this in it, this throttle position sensor, and the mass airflow sensor. This is what we just replaced. If you click on the card on the bottom, it'll take you to this throttle position sensor. If you click on the other card, it'll take you to a playlist of everything I've done on this truck. This is Ron from Fixing Stuff in Black and White, signing off.